Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yash Patel and in today's video we will be going to practicing Flexbox in CSS. In last video we have learned about Flexbox in CSS, and if you haven't watched the video, please go to in a description area. You can find the link, or I will just pin the video in the top right corner. So yeah, there you go. Here's the pop-up. Okay, so before any delay, let's just start with the Flexbox in CSS, and we will be practicing Flexbox CSS through Flexbox Froggy. It is very nice. There will be everything about Flexbox, and it's something like of game, so it's kind of fun. So let's go. So what we have to do is that we have to pin this frog to its original home, which is this. So what we'll do, it's now its position is start. We have to get into uh, I mean end of the container. So what we will say, justify content is end, and yeah, there you go. So first step clear. Now next. Now, so again, justify content center, because we want everything to be center of the parent container. That is why. Now next, and okay, so everything to be justify between, I guess, justify content space between, no, and we will go for space around. Yeah, there you go. So next, now, yeah, here we can use justify content to uh, space between. Yeah, okay. Next, okay, so here we have to align our frogs to end, so we will use align items end. Yeah, okay. So if we want to play with vertical, then we will use justify. If we want to play with or horizontal, then we will use align items. Okay, next. Okay, now this vertical and this vertical, so we will use both. Justify content to center. Okay, sorry, justify and align items to center as well. Okay, next. First of all, align items center. Oh, sorry, it will be and justify content to space around content. Done. Next. Oh, okay. Now flex direction to row reverse. Yeah, because we want to start from the end and in reverse direction, like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if we want like 1 2 3 4, we will be just used uh, reverse. Okay, I mean flex end, just flex end. Okay, next. Okay, now if we want in column direction, but we want 1 2 3 4, so we will just use flex direction column. Let's just copy this. We can't. Can we? Yeah. Flex direction column. Yeah, there you go. Next. Okay. Now we want alternate. So first we will use flex direction row reverse and sorry, row reverse and justify content to start. Right. Next. Okay, so flex direction will be column. Okay, and justify content. No justify, we have to play with horizontal, so align items and oh hmm, justify line items and so I think justify content. Yeah, justify content and okay, sorry, my bad. Now here, okay, first of all flex direction column reverse, obviously. Okay, reverse and justify content space between. There you go. Next. Okay, so justify content content to be center. Oh, sorry, content flex direction to row reverse and align items to end. Done. Next. Now, yeah, now order. This is another property that I have told in last video, that order we will use for child containers. So pond means this blue area is pond, which is parent element, and yellow elements means it is this one, or I guess frog is the yellow frog is the class rel yellow. Okay, I mean dot is class. Now we want it to last, so we will give it to order in third position, so third. Yeah, like this. Okay, so with order we can change the position of the child container. Remember, child container, sorry. Yeah, child element, child container. Okay, now red. So order 1, no, 0. -1, yes. So -1 order, right? So because it start from 0 right here, 0. So with 0, it's -1. -1. Next, yellow. So yellow, align items and no. Oh, yo. So here you can see the hint. We have to use align self. Yeah, yeah. So if we use align items, it won't work because it mostly work with the parent container. If we want to target a child container, we have to use align self. Align self, remember. Yeah, next. Now for yellow, I think first order is 3. Yeah, and align self because we want to target child elements, and there we go. Next is, yeah, next condition is flex wrap. Another property for flex is flex wrap. Now what this will do, that as I told in last video, that if we want our child container to come in a next line, if the condition of, if the width of the parent container extends, if we want our child container to take place in next line, then we can use flex wrap property. Now no wrap means like this is the by default no wrap. If we want, then it will, we have to use flex wrap. So flex, oh sorry, flex wrap is equal to wrap means yes, we want our child container to be in next line, so wrap. Next, now question 19. So first obviously we will want flex wrap to be wrap. Now we want flex direction to be column wise. Okay, now next, now here flex, oh okay. Now another most important is flex flow. Flex flow is nothing but just a combination of flex direction and flex wrap. So we can use flex flow to first wrap and then column wise like this. Okay, now next one, 21. So flex, now we will use justify content to be start. Nope. Then align content. Oh, align content means if we want to target all containers 1 2 3 4 everything together. Okay, so we will use align content. Next, 22. Same, align content to be and yep, like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Now, yeah, we have reached to 22 only. We have 23 and 22 left, but I guess I will leave it to you guys. So you what you can do that you can practice it by yourself, and if you completed it, just comment down, or if you have any doubt, please do write down it in my comment section, and I will reach out to you as soon as possible. So yeah, that's it from Flexbox, and if you have any queries or if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want. So till next video, just take care, bye bye, and see you. Have a nice day.